Let's make this quick and simple dish, but yet very healthy and delicious for 2 people. This was very delicious and so nice. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, can you please subscribe or follow for more videos? It is free. Thank you for doing it for me. I do appreciate it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So our first ingredient is spinach. Okay, I have washed it very well. I'm just going to add water to that and then boil it. Okay, now I have my plantains here. I have washed it very well, and I will just go ahead and peel off the skin. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, and Merry Christmas and fruitful New Year in advance. Thank you. So some of us do not know plantain. Okay, it is just like bananas. I know someone will say, who doesn't know plantain? There are some people who don't know plantain. Okay, yes, so it is just like bananas. Okay, yes, with a spinach you can use your contombre or any green leaves that you have. Okay, now I'm done peeling off the skin. I'll go ahead and scratch that, and then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, please, have you subscribed? Have you followed? If you haven't, can you do so for me? It is free. And please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Okay, thank you. Now we are done with that. I'll go ahead and then wash my eggs. You know we can't prepare Ghanaian food without eggs. Oh, eggs ready. Now I'm going to add some salt, then put that on fire to boil. Whilst that is on fire, I have my fish here. I love this fish. It is one of the cheapest fish, but very delicious. I'm just going to clean it very well, and then we proceed. So I'll just pull that thing out, and I'm not going to show you what will come out. Okay, now we are done cleaning it. I'm just going to add some salt and then let it stay in the water for some time. Whilst the fish is resting, I'm just going to clean or wash my mushrooms and then add it to the things that we are boiling. Okay, the plantain and the other ingredients. Now I have my pepper, I have some onions. I'll just go ahead and grind it very well, as you are seeing on the screen. Okay, now the spinach is ready, so I'm just going to add that and then grind it as well. If you don't have the grinder, okay, you can go ahead and then put it in your food processor. Use the pause key so that it won't become very smooth. Now the plantain is ready, and when it is ready like that, we strain the water from it. I am just going to leave this in the cold water. Okay, someone may ask, why is it that it is in the cold water? Anytime that I prepare ampesi, it reminds me of Abner's word. The other day when I prepared it, I was like, if you leave it in the cold water, it is going to make it erect. Abner said, hey Adrian, what is erect? What is the English name for that? I don't know how to describe it. It will make it very like a bit try. Do you get it? Oh my goodness. So let me know the English name, okay, so that I won't say erect. Now after I finish grinding my spinach, I've added my peanut butter, and then I'm grinding that as well before we can add the next ingredient. Now we are done with everything, and then I will just go ahead and dress it very well. So I added some salt from the beginning when I was grinding the pepper and then the onions. Okay, now the fish has stayed in the water for 30 minutes, and I've removed it, coated it with my all-purpose flour, and then that is what I was frying. This is my seasoning I've added to my oil. Okay, and I have some onion too in the oil. Now the fish is ready. So delicious. Now I have some tomatoes in there as well. Okay, you can omit it, but I love tomatoes. Yes, now I'll just give it a stir, and then I'm not going to overcook it. I'll just cook this for just a minute and then pour it on the spinach. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. It was so nice and delicious. We really enjoyed this. Okay, we really enjoyed this. And I'm just going to add my mushrooms, add my fish. You can as well fry the mushrooms in the oil as well. Add my eggs, my avocados, and the plantains. Without avocado, this is not complete. And the eggs, don't mind me. So the food is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and you are invited. Let me give you one. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, so delicious and healthy. See you in the next one, and take good care of yourself. Always remember, I love you. Love yourself first and enjoy your holidays. See you in the next one. You can't afford to miss the next upload. Bye.